Alright friends, I'm back. I did get my nails a little trim. They grew out a little bit. But now I'm going to apply the Dipology nail strengthener, and then the Dipology nail polish top coat. You can do this a little bit different. This is what I found works for me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just gently push back my cuticles. Last night, before I'm filming this, obviously, I did a soak in the Dipology nail rehab, and then I also did a hot oil soak. So I soaked in organic coconut oil for 10 minutes. And that just helps your nails, because if they're dry and brittle, they're not going to grow healthy and strong. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you're going to be doing a mani or any nail enhancements or anything like that, I would recommend waiting at least 4 to 6 hours before dipping or nail polish or whatever your poison is, before you after you do the hot oil soak, just to avoid any lifting. That's why I did it last night, and it's now like, I don't know what time it is I'm filming. It's late afternoon here. Just to be safe, so there's not any lifting or anything like that. I did do this last night, but I always recommend pushing back any cuticle gently every day. It's easier to do it after you've showered or while you're in the shower. Just gently push them back every day. Definitely helps with growth. And now I'm going to take an alcohol wipe. Or wipe with the alcohol, I guess you could say. Oops, need a little bit more. Get any oil that is on my skin, and I do have a snag on my pointer, which is not good, so I'm hoping that this protects it while it grows out. So you're gonna want to shake this before you open. And what I'm gonna do is go in with 2 coats. And the nail strengthener dries fairly quickly, so I always like to get a decent amount on my brush at the beginning, so that way I can be quick. And I want to make sure I'm really getting it all over on my edges. Obviously, I'm not the greatest with nail polish, because I'm getting it everywhere. I should probably move that over here before I spill it. Obviously, you can see it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. I'm gonna do the other hand, and by the time I come back, this hand will be dry. Okay, I got the second hand done, so now I'm gonna go in with this second coat of the nail strengthener. This is the coat that you're gonna really want to make sure to take your time and make sure that you get everywhere. A second coat isn't absolutely necessary, I'm gonna say, just because that first one is what absorbs onto your nail plate. But I just do the second coat to go back in and make sure I got everywhere. Got hair. Just so we're all on the same page, I never claimed to be a professional at painting nail polish. I can do some dip nails though, I can do some dip nails. And even though it looks like I'm putting it on thick, it's definitely, it dries down to be thin, if that makes sense. But honestly, a lot of my damage has grown out already. I just have a few fingers that still need a little help. So I'm working on those. So for the time being, I'm still doing press-ons. I will admit I'm sick of doing press-ons. I just miss doing my own nails. I feel like it takes the fun out of it. And I know other people love doing press-ons, so it was definitely fun at first. All right, I'm gonna do the second coat on my right hand and I will be back. Okay, so we are back. I'm pretty sure my right hand's dry. So we're gonna go in with top coat. But I'm gonna link a few articles down below, like where I got my information. A lot of it's gonna be from Dipology. Erin, the owner, has honestly just been the biggest blessing while I've been navigating through my gel allergy. Well, I already knew I had a gel allergy, my gel allergy reaction, and she actually started a nail health challenge on the 15th. And it's been actually, she literally has just been my saving grace, telling me all the do's and don'ts. Look, I've already messed up the top coat. Love that for myself. Yeah, I'm just so thankful for her, and a lot of that information is coming from her. She's a pharmacist, so I think she would know a thing of two of what actually works or what doesn't work. I don't know. But anyways, I am just forever grateful for her. She has been amazing. I'm rambling now. I've said that like 1,000 times, but I'm not kidding. I'm actually making this video for that nail challenge for my other fellow participants, but I'm also putting it up on my YouTube page as well, just for anybody who ever struggles. Hopefully not, but if they do, because there's like really not a lot out there about this, and I know a lot of people struggle, just a lot of people don't talk about it. So that's why I've been fairly open about my journey this entire time. The only thing I haven't posted were like the graphic pictures of my gel reaction, and that is why, and obviously not everybody can kind of stomach it. It wasn't like terrible, but it was bad. Like if I had a weak stomach or that like wasn't my thing, I definitely would not have wanted to have seen it. The only other video I've seen recently that actually makes any sense is Dippin' Pixies. I'll also link her video down below as well. Has a lot of good tips on things that work for her. Some of them work for me, but not all of them, because you know, everybody's different, you know? Kind of like peel base. Everybody needs a different amount. Some brands don't work for them. Some brands work for me, you know? So I definitely will link that down below. And then if you're interested in joining the nail challenge, also link that down below as well. But I'm gonna let these dry and then we'll come back for some cuticle oil, and yeah. All right, y'all, we all dry. It's super shiny. The description said like gel-like finish. So I'm gonna pop out some cuticle oil. This is actually new. It's the new soap scent. And I'm sure I've probably said this before, but Mani Chic actually infuses all of her oils in horsetail, which is an herb that contains silica, which is something very important for our nails. So if you are one that doesn't oil your cuticles very much and you're wondering why your nails aren't growing, this is why. Just rub it in, give yourself a nice little massage. I believe in Dippin' Pixies video, she read somewhere that when you rub in your oil, it stimulates nail growth. So I'm here for it. But I hope you guys learned a little something from this video. Let me know if you liked it, and if you have any questions. If you're struggling with this and you need help, you let me know, because I am happy to help. I'm a little encyclopedia of nail knowledge these days. But I'm super excited. So we are on the mend. Thank you for everybody who reached out, had kind words to say, recommended products, all the things while I was dealing with my super nubs and my damaged fingers. So I really appreciate it. There's nothing better than this nail community. And I love you lots. Bye.